Okay, we're doing surgery on a cat. He's getting his blood sucked by this huge black widow. Oh my god. Big black widow, ladies and gentlemen.
It's not a black widow, it's like...
Oh my god, it's a deadly black widow sucking on the cat's blood.
It actually looks disgusting, to be honest.
Do you want to do mouth to mouth on him?
No! He's alive.
No, well, he doesn't look too good. Where's the injury?
Right here.
Oh my god, the blood.
It's right here. It's belly button.
Oh my god, the injection's working.
It's killing him.
No, it's reversing. He's coming back to life, ladies and gentlemen.
It's the little cat. Oh no.
Oh my god, he's alive. Get it away, get it away.
No, don't touch it.
Don't eat it.
It's what killed you.
It's poisonous.
We shall cut him open with this knife.
No, put that back.